Quadmula. What does it look like? From Taiwan. We've got the Siren F3 split, a mount set, and a front bumper set. Some stickers, some props. You know, it came with props, that's cool. And I've seen this on channels, but this is kind of cool. It's a plastic case that and it's perforated. So you can do it. All right, look down here. Strap, capacitor, cables. Well, this is going to be tiny. Look how small this is. Carbon fiber plates. Wow, look how tiny that is. Press nuts. Where's the arms? What am I missing? Where are my arms? Oh, these are the arms? Holy cow, those are tiny. Look how small that is. It doesn't even look real. Wow, that's gonna be fun. All right, now let's open this box. This is from Pyro Drone. And we've got a SkyStars FPV drone. Racing parts, fly stack 20x20, F7, KM55, DL Heli 32. And 2 batteries for this drone. That should finish it off. I had another video where I put all the motors that I got and everything else. So, see you later.